Hi YouTube, and today we are going to be doing a revisit of a Shell station located in Keswick. And we're going to get the ultimate touch-free wash that uses a Mark VII ChoiceWash XT. But we're not at the car wash yet. I'm going to show you the car right now first. It's been a while since I've done a car wash video because of a snowstorm we had. See, look at the snow outside. So anyways, I'm glad it stopped. The sun is shining. So, I'm going to show you the car right now. So you can see the headlights are dirty here. So this is going to be proving another touch-free car wash to the test. You can see the sides are dirty on the doors too. The tires are dirty as well too. The bumper, the back windshield, the driver's side, so anyways, that's the car. That is the car when it's dirty. So let's see if this touch-free wash will do a great job. So anyways, I'll start it up again as soon as I get to the car wash. So see you then. So here we are at the Shell station. There's a little bit of a lineup. Well, there's a lineup for the touch-free bay, for the soft touch bay. There's a long line you can see on the left. And for the touch-free wash, I guess we must as well get in the lineup and then we will go inside. The touch-free wash is a huge lineup for the soft touch bay, and these are rare. So anyways, I'm going to need to pay for the wash, so I'll start it up again as soon as we get to the lineup, to the code machine. The ultimate touch-free wash, it was $15.99 plus tax, and it came to $18.07. And here's the car wash code. There's a huge lineup there. Someone's getting the soft touch wash and the soft wash bay. We got the ultimate wash too. And there's a line up in the touch list bay. So anyways, it's going to be a while, so I'm going to start it up again as soon as the guys as soon as we get to the pay station. So, the guy's going to have the dryers. This guy's going to is getting the soft touch bay. Now we can go ahead into the wash with the doors. Let's see if the $18 wash is worth it. We are getting the undercarriage. Okay, so drive ahead. Here's the soft touch bay. So drive ahead. There we go. This guy's done for soft touch right now, you can see. This is a SoftWash XT. A Mark VII SoftWash XT, I should say. We are getting from pre-soak. A nice coating of a pre-soak. We can have a touch free bar. And this guy's going to have the dryers. Getting another coating of grease from the back. And we are doing another pass of a tweeze look again. A nice coating of a pre-soak as well. Doing about front right now with a pre-soak. Now we can do a high power rinse. Going for back right now. This guy in the soft touch bay is getting the tri-foam right now. Doing another pass of the back. Another pass of, looks like he's getting for soft wash right now. Now we're getting the second pass of a high power rinse. Looks like it's doing a great job. And now we are getting for tri-foam. A nice coverage of a tri-foam. Now we get a third type power rinse. Looks like this guy's getting rain next, I think. I think he got the ultimate soft touch wash. Now we are done with a high power rinse. Now we are getting Rain-X. A nice coating of a Rain-X. This guy's getting the spot-free rinse. And the same as too. Now we're getting the spot-free rinse as well. And this guy's going to have a dryer right now too. Now we can go ahead with the dryers. That was a long wash. 8 minutes we are at right now. We have Mark VII Vortex dryer, so let's see if we do a great job. This guy in the soft touch bay is getting the ultimate soft touch wash too. We have 50 seconds of a dryer time. Looks like the dryers are not doing a great job. Interesting, they have a Mark VII SoftWash XT on the left and a Mark VII ChoiceWash on the XT on the right. So we are done. 9 minutes in total. Wash and dry. So anyways, that's from the Mark VII ChoiceWash XT at a Shell station located in Keswick. Looks like this wash has done a great job. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. So here's after the wash. So you can see some stuff on the bumper here. But I don't think it was there since the last time. I'm not sure. The hood is all clean. There's some stuff right here. Look. Anyways, there's some pink soap on the car here. You can see it here. There must be the trifoam in that too. Clean the tires really well. There's some stuff on the exhaust pipe. The back windshield has spots on it, even though we got spot-free rinse. Cleaned off the dirt off the doors, sort of thing. Except for bottom here. So anyways, I think this wash has done an amazing job. All they need to work on is the dryers. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm glad I done a car wash for you today. So by the way, you don't need, it's been a while since I done one. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you in the next one. Have a good day.